So have you guys ever wondered how the Bellagio phones keep the shows going all day, every day, sometimes every 30 minutes, sometimes every 15 minutes? These guys work tirelessly every morning to do maintenance on the nozzles and the sprayers for the phone and make sure that the steam is working. Shout out to those guys. They get out here on these little boats and fix on this every morning. And they do it until they don't have to do it anymore. Sometimes it could take an hour. Sometimes it could take up till showtime at 3 o'clock when the phone shows go. But these guys are out here early making sure that the best attraction in the world is always working and working great. May everybody enjoy it.